Okay guys, if you are looking to get best pocket option signals so that your trades could go right on a consistent basis, then you are in the right place. As you can see something in my screen, I'll explain exactly what that is, and I'll also show you the proven result inside my Telegram channel. Okay, before joining my Telegram channel, you need to watch these videos so that you can understand properly what's going on and how you can be assured with my signals. Okay, so as you can see in my screen, I will also show you the proven results, okay, from inside my Telegram channel. So keep watching this video. So before providing the signal, what I do regularly is I have few hours of time, okay, and in that time I load up my mind with 4 to 5 strategies, different strategies, okay, and I test with little amount, okay, $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, okay. I trade multiple, I make multiple trades in the real market, okay, and then I see which strategy is working for that exact day. So for example, if it's today, I have 5 strategies, okay. I test all of those 5 strategies in several currency pair and see which of them are working in most of the currency pair regularly. And once I find that, then I use that exact strategy to generate signal to provide to all of the people who are in my Telegram channel. That's why my signals have higher accuracy rate, and I use pocket option platform to give the signals, okay, and I'll show you my results too. Also in my Telegram channel, you will find a good money management strategy which you can use along with my signals to make profit consistently, okay, and those signals are given inside my Telegram channel, and you can join my Telegram channel. Now I'll show you inside my Telegram channel too. Okay, and by the way, this that you are looking right now on the screen is one of the test strategy that I'm currently running, okay, and see how much trade are going right and how much trades are going wrong, okay. In this way I complete my test. Okay, now I'll show you my Telegram channel. So as you can see in my screen, this is my Telegram channel and this is the result of today's trade, one trade, okay, and you can join my channel absolutely free, okay, and you can get free signals. I do have a VIP channel too. If you want to join that, you can just watch the pinned video, okay, and the message inside that pinned video so that you can learn how you can join my VIP channel. But let's talk about my free Telegram channel for profitable binary signals in pocket option. So these are my results, okay. I want to show you by scrolling, okay. So this all tick mark means all of these trades were profitable, okay. So if I keep on scrolling, and you can see most of my trades are always right because of the thing that I do, okay. And as I've talked about the money management, so this is our simple money management. You can pause this video and read it, okay. So this is our money management strategy which I regularly give, okay. And our trading time frame is in London, okay, 11 a.m. and here another watch. This may change, okay, that's not the thing. This timing may change, okay, but let's see results, okay, how much win or how much loss we are getting, okay. If you scroll, and you can see that most of our trades are always going right because of the thing that I have explained you before. So if you want to join my free Telegram channel to receive free binary signals, and you are heartily welcome, and please do like this video.